I'm Tony Sklar with BNet TV. We are here at Showstoppers during CTIA 2012 in sunny New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am speaking with Tyntecs, Michael and Thorsten. How are you today, gentlemen?
Thanks. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Very well, very well. And first time to New Orleans?
Yes, first time to New Orleans. Amazing city. Thanks.
Great city, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic. Great food and fantastic jazz.
Absolutely, it is.
Great place to have a CTIA conference. So, for our first-time viewers out there in BNet TV land, why don't you give us a brief overview of Tyntec and what you're doing here at CTIA?
Okay, good. So let me first start with what we're doing here at CTIA. We're launching our product also in US and Canada. It's called TT1, and it's a product which helps internet companies to reach out to much more users than they were before. It's increasing their potential user base on cell phones from 1 billion to 6 billion devices.
What's the magic sauce that you're able to garner all those fish in for people?
Right, so the magic sauce of it is virtual numbers. So we're virtualizing phone numbers, and then the internet giants can slap a virtual phone number on any of their services. So they can slap a phone number on their Facebook account, on their YouTube account, and make that account reachable to 6 billion devices on the world, rather than just 1 billion smartphones or 1 billion laptops.
Thorsten, what makes your technology better than your competitors in the market space?
Basically, the availability of the numbers throughout the world. So we are offering Canada and USA alongside with Europe. We are the only ones who have that capability, and you only need to connect once to our system, and we can provide you access to all the countries we have on the coverage list.
So what you're launching here in the United States and of course Canada as well, absolutely fantastic. And what are some of the challenges that are that you're finding with the North American market versus the European market?
Mm-hmm. I mean, of course, the North American market is much bigger for us, and we have much more potential customers to go for. So that's a challenge for us, and then in that sense, we're currently opening up also an office here in San Francisco. We're opening up an office in San Francisco to better address the US market and the Canadian market. So, and that's basically great for us because we have a technology which so well integrates into the carrier and gives such a great advantage to the internet carriers to reach out to, instead of 1 billion devices, to 6 billion devices. And as you know, if you have a network effect, right? 1 billion devices is great, but if you go to 6 billion devices, that's not 6 times better, it's about 100 times better.
Thorsten, just briefly describe to me some of the technology that's involved in the back end when people are utilizing the system.
Okay, we basically deploy our own hardware and software into the carrier, so we control the service set and the feature set of all the equipment involved. Whenever there is a call made to the platform, it hits our system in our main data centers. So basically, the infrastructure there is a cloud-based one in our own private cloud. The big difference to what other offerings are is that you only need to have that one single connection and a unique feature set over all of them. So it's not a distinction between carrier or country. It's every time the same feature set and the same connectivity. It really makes it easy to scale.
And then finally, Michael, you're launching here in North America. When is the product going to be available, and how do I access it?
All right, so it's available today. So we are launching it basically as we speak. So customers can come to us in the next days and connect to us. And the good thing is that our infrastructure is very much a plug-and-play infrastructure. So everything is in place. And if you're an internet giant, if you're an app company, you come to us, you get your account data, and you can connect to it right through the internet and get your and plug and play the mobile virtual phone numbers from it and put them right away on your services and make them available to your consumers.
Well, it sounds like a great way to be able to expand your system at a very fast pace. Michael, Thorsten, thanks very much for taking the opportunity to speak with us here today at Showstoppers during CTIA Wireless. I hope we have a chance for an update again in the future.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for having us.
I'm Tony Sklar here at Showstoppers with BNet TV.